The history of Midea's dishwasher development has been a process of seeking professional dishwasher manufacturing. Midea plays the role of an innovator and standard creator and leads the trends in the dishwasher industry. Focused on four major strategic axes, the Midea Intelligent Dishwasher Factory has taken the lead in entering the 5G era. Leveraging end-to-end whole value chain operation, Midea is leading the industry in moving from manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. Leveraging the industry-first 5G integrated positioning technology, vehicles, goods, warehouses, and cabinets are intelligently controlled. The factory's comprehensive efficiency is increased by 34%. Thus, there is a large reduction in consumption, while production capacity is increased. Carbon dioxide emissions are expected to peak in 2028, leading the industry in entering a new era of green intelligent manufacturing and building a new benchmark for green and intelligent factories. Midea's products are sold in 145 countries and regions around the world, serving more than 500 customers worldwide. Leader and standard creator industry, and lead the industry in forging into the future.